beautiful, I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, we are about to dive in to the LUSH Valentine's Day spoilers for 2024. Makes me feel a little bit sick saying 2024, but we are diving into it. I am so excited, and as always, I've seen no spoilers. I am going to go into this blind with you guys. Before I dive into the video, if you guys haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. I upload 1 to 2 times a week on this channel, usually things LUSH and things books. That's not English, but you guys know what I mean. It's mainly LUSH and books with a few vlogs in between. So if that's a bit of you, please join my corner of the internet and let's reach 11,000 subscribers. So without further ado, we are going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So as always, I do just want to say thank you so much to lush.sense on Instagram for sharing these images. I know a lot of people have been sharing your stuff online and not giving you credit, so thank you so much. The first item we have is, oh, okay, this is the Big Squeeze Bath Bomb, which is Vampire Kisses scented. This one is going to retail for £5.50 and it's juniper berry and sweet wild orange fragranced scented. That wasn't English, you guys know what I mean. I feel very out of breath. I'm a little bit overexcited. I am very excited about this one. This one's a really cute little heart design and it's almost like it's been broken to and stuck back together, and it's like two little people hugging. That is so adorable. Looks very cute. I love the pink and purple kind of combo, so I am very excited for that one. Then we have the BFF bubble bar, which is £7. Again, I think that's quite a regular price for a bubble bar. I do hope that it is a substantial size like the Comforter or something where you can get quite a few baths out of it. This one is going to be Butterball scented, so it's cocoa, musk, ylang ylang, very gentle in smell. I cannot wait to use that one as well. I think because it's mostly going to be white, it's going to be a very nice kind of gentle one to go for if you don't want any colours or anything like that. That is going to be a really lovely item to go for. The next item is the Love Potion Bath Bomb, which is the Kiss scented. Now I'm not gonna lie, what is that smell? Because I feel like that is one fragrance I always forget about. Reading the description, it's mandarin and almond. So is it gonna give me like a orangey marzipan smell? That is my question. I don't know. But this one is going to be £3.75. So from the price, I'm going to assume it's probably going to be quite small, but that's still a very nice product. I love the detail. I love the little heart confetti bits in the front. I am very excited for that one, and I probably will buy one. I'm not gonna lie, it's very cute. The next item is highly confusing for me. This is the Love Burger Bath Bomb. This reminds me of those sweets you used to get. Now let me know down below, did you guys have these sweets growing up? Because I used to have them quite a lot, and it was in a tiny little plastic container, and it was like jelly sweets that kind of layered to make a burger. They were unbelievable. Whether you can still get them or not now, I have no idea, but I used to love them. And then they made the big ones and they were just a game changer. But anyway, this kind of looks like that. It's giving me a similar vibe to that SpongeBob burger, which the SpongeBob burger made sense because it was a Krabby Patty. Do you know what I mean? It kind of made sense. A Love Burger, it's just not making sense to me. I feel like maybe it could have been a little bit different. I love the idea. I'm just not understanding it fully, but this one is £14 and it contains 2 bath bomb buns, which is a new cherry fragrance, and it will have almond, benzoin resinoid and cherry in it, which sounds delicious. You also have a patty bubble bar, which is carrot scented, so bergamot, boot chew and lemon. Then you have the lettuce soap, which is rhubarb and custard scented, and then we have the tomato soap, which again is rhubarb and custard scented. I kind of wish both soaps were different fragrances. I feel like that would have been a really nice touch. But anyway, that one is £14, quite a substantial item. I am excited about it. Will I buy one? Probably not. It's just not a bit of me, but I like the concept. So moving on to the next thing. Next up, we have another bath bomb, and this is the Love Letter Bath Bomb, which is yummy, yummy, yummy scented. And fragrance wise, that is strawberry, geranium, orange and tonka. Apparently this is a brand new product, so they've never released this before, and I was gonna say I've never seen anything like it. I love the concept of this. I love the confetti in it. This is what I like to see in the new ranges. I just love new products. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm all for bringing back a classic, you know, bring back Golden Wonder at Christmas or Golden Wonder at Christmas. Do you know what I mean? Like, I love that sort of thing, but nothing gets me more excited about LUSH than when they bring out a brand new product that we've never heard of before. So that is a new product and I'm very excited about that one. Then we have a release from last year, which is the Love Bug Bath Bomb. I really enjoyed this one. As you guys know, I'm a big beetle fan. I love a beetle. I want one. I wish to have one day, but the time will come. And I've had this bath bomb twice before. I loved it both times. This one is £6 and it's Love Boat scented, which is lemon, sweet wild orange and rose. It smells very nice. It's very fruity, very light, very floral. I honestly would buy it again. I thoroughly enjoyed it when I've had it the other 2 times, so I definitely will pick one of those up, I think, this year. Next year. We're not quite into 2024 yet, I'm already diving into it, but yeah, next year. Then we have the Strawberry Crumble Bubble Rune, which is You Shall Go to the Ball scented. This one, again, is a returning product. I've definitely had this one before, and this one is Tonka, Strawberry and Lemon, and it's £8. So I think with these, you can definitely get 2, if not 3 baths out of them at a stretch, so definitely worth the money, I would say. Just make sure you cut it all up, because I feel like using it in a whole bath is an absolute waste, so you can definitely get your money's worth with those. Then we have the Whispering Heart Bath Bomb, which is rhubarb and custard scented. That sounds delicious. This is a brand new product, so I'm gonna have to get one of those. Price wise, that one is gonna be £6, and it's rhubarb, bergamot and orange. It looks incredible. I wonder what's gonna be inside. I hope there's gonna be like loads of confetti and stuff. I love how with the Valentine's Day range they tend to put a lot of confetti in it. I think it's such a nice touch, so I'm very excited to try that one out. And then we have the Flower Bombshell Bath Bomb. Again, this is another returning product. This is one of the higher ranged items, so this one is £14, and it's rose jam scented, so it's rose, lemon and geranium. I absolutely love the smell of rose jam. It takes me back to like spring, summertime, working at Lush. Like, it's just such a beautiful fragrance, so I am excited about that one. I don't know whether I will purchase it just because it is a big bath bomb and I feel like it's quite a lot going on, if you know what I mean, but I am excited nonetheless because it does smell incredible. The next item is a body wash. Oh, I've just seen what it's called. You guys aren't ready for this. This is the Posh White Chocolate and Rose Body Wash. Let that sink in for a second. That is gonna smell incredible. I'm gonna have to buy a bucket of it. That is insane. So this one is going to be £10 for 100 grams or £18 for 225 grams. And fragrance wise, this is gonna be chocolate, sandalwood, vanilla and rose. That is going to be incredible. It looks edible, to be honest with you. I'm going to have to buy a bucket of that. That is very exciting. I am all over it. The next item is a shower jelly, and personally I'm not all for the shower jellies. I feel like I used to love them. They're not my favorite anymore. However, this looks adorable. This is the Kiss Me Quick shower jelly, which is going to be £7, and it's going to be strawberry, clove, mimosa and tonka scented. So if you like a shower jelly, you will love this one. It looks really beautiful. I love the design and it does look like a lot of fun. It kind of reminds me of like the Bratz lips, you know? Love it. Then we have the soap for this collection, and that is the Strawberry Heart Soap, which again is yummy, yummy, yummy scented. I'm kind of wondering like where the other shower gels are, but anyway, this one is £5 for 100 grams, and again it's strawberry, olibanum, bergamot and geranium, which sounds delicious, and apparently this one is a brand new product, so again I might have to pick one up. Next up we have a returning product, and that is the Rose Argan Naked Massage Oil, which is rose jam scented. Have they changed the names of these from why can I not say massage bar? It's very hard to say. Have they changed the name from bar to oil? Let me know down below because I didn't even realise. But this one obviously is rose jam scented, so rose and lemon. So good, and this one is going to be £10. They are quite expensive. They do last a really long time though, especially if you use them as like a body oil. Delicious. The next item is absolutely adorable. Really, really good as a gift for sure. This is the My Little Chia Piglet Soap, and this is a brand new product. I've never seen this one before, and fragrance wise it has Litsi Kubea oil, tonka and vanilla, and it will be £6. Honestly, how cute is this soap? I cannot get over it. I'm gonna have to buy a couple of them because that is the cutest little piece of soap I have ever seen in my life. So I love the look of that, and I will definitely buy one of those. I just said I'd buy 10. Realistically, I will buy one, but I'll want to buy 10. Oh, okay, the next item again is another returning product. This is the Passion Fruit Delight Body Wash, which is passion fruit scented. The smell of this is incredible. I need it as a shower gel or something because it is so good. This one is passion fruit, buchu, Litsi Kubea and sweet wild orange, and it's £9, and I did really like these. I love the texture. They're definitely something different. I don't feel like I like them more than a shower gel, but I definitely like them, so I might have to get another piece of that one. So I think I have just predicted the future, because saying that I want a passion fruit shower gel, I need it as a shower gel or something because it is so good. And then the next item being a passion fruit shower gel, absolutely insane. If I could have £1 million, that would be brilliant.
And I just won $1 million.
But this is the passion fruit shower gel, and this one is £8 for 100 grams, £16 for 250 or £27 for 500, and it's passion fruit, buchu, Litsi Kubea and sweet wild orange again. So the same smell as the Delight, so I definitely would prefer the shower gel over the kind of like marshmallowy soap thing, so I definitely will pick one of those up for sure. So the next item is one of the Lush melts. So you can either use these in the bath or you can actually use them as like a wax melt. I love using them for both. I have definitely tried both and I really enjoy them. So the fragrance of this one is Winter Garden and it's called Jasmine Cream. This is £6.50 and ingredients, it has ylang ylang, benzoin, resinoid, bergamot, and I think that's it. I don't know why I carried on reading because that is it. That sounds delicious. It's like a red colour. It looks really fun. I love the wax melt, so I cannot complain about that one. The next one, oh, I love the name of this. This is the Queen of Hearts Lush Melt, and this one is a new fragrance, which is Queen of Hearts scented. It's rose, geranium, vanilla, and violet. That sounds delicious. I'm gonna have to get one of those. Again, it's £6.50, and I think it's definitely worth the price, especially if you use it as a wax melt, as like a wax melt burner as well. I think that's so versatile and different, so I love that. Ooh, okay. I've just seen the flavour of it. Oh my goodness, I don't need another lip scrub. So Melody, in the future, when it comes to buying the range, please don't buy the lip scrub because you don't need it. But this is the Sweet Talk lip scrub, which is passion fruit scented. I'm gonna need to buy 12. So this one retails for £7 and it's sweet wild orange, rose and vanilla scented. I really am gonna have to try that, but I shouldn't because I have so many already. But I just love the sound of that, so I might have to pick one up. Don't let me pick one up. So future me, no lip scrub for you. Oh, okay, the next item is the Crush Lip Butter, which is fresh scented. Is that a new fragrance? This is orange grapefruit and orange flower. It's £6. That sounds delicious. I am gonna have to get one of those. I love a lip butter, especially this time of year. Like my lips get so dry and gross, so I love a lip balm. That looks incredible. I'm gonna have to pick up one of those. I love it. So the next item is the I Heart You iPads, which are gonna be £5. This is a returning product and I can't quite remember what they smell like, so if you guys know, can you let me know down below, because I really can't remember. I'm going to assume it's going to smell like a flower, but I cannot remember. So if you could let me know down below, that would be absolutely wonderful. Thank you very much in advance. The next item, oh my god, that is the cutest but scariest thing I've ever seen. This is the Prince Charming sheet mask, and I don't know how I feel about it. It is kind of creeping me out, but this looks like a frog, and I'm unsure. Price wise, this one is going to retail for £7.50 and it doesn't say the fragrances, but I am a little bit terrified. I think it's the nostril holes and the eye holes that are freaking me out. I don't know why. I love the look of it, very cute, but it's also scaring me, so I don't know how I feel about that. Am I gonna buy one? Probably not. Oh, the next item is really interesting. This is the Goodnight Sweetheart pillow spray, and this one is gonna be £12, and apparently it's gonna have scents of ylang ylang, rose, jasmine absolute, sandalwood, lemon, very similar to the Two More Hearts perfume. This is a brand new product. I am really glad that Lush are getting on the pillow spray hype. I think they sent us a pillow spray like months ago in a kitchen box. I could be wrong, but I feel like that did happen, and I feel like the Body Shop do one. Everywhere else does a like pillow spray. Lush need to get on the hype because I use Sleepy as a pillow spray, but I would love like an actual pillow spray that would be Lush, so literally would be Lush. But yeah, I love the sound of that. I probably will have to get one of those. And last but definitely not least, we have the new Romantics perfume. I love that they've released a perfume for Valentine's Day. I think that's so different. Like they rarely do limited edition perfumes like that anymore, so that's really fun. This one is going to be £30 and it's going to have scents of sweet wild orange, Divana oil and pimento berry. That sounds delicious. I'm gonna have to smell that. I don't know what it's gonna look like, but as soon as it comes out in the stores, I'm gonna have to go and smell it because I'm so intrigued as to what it's gonna smell like. So that sounds delicious. So those are all of the items that are going to be joining us for the Lush Valentine's Day range of 2024. I still can't quite believe we're going into 2024, but here we are. I cannot wait for this range. I'm very excited about it. So yeah, let me know down below what item you're most excited about because I cannot truly decide. I feel like there's so many items this year I'm excited about, but that is everything. As I said at the start of the video, please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. It would make my day and I would love to hit 11,000 subscribers and have you guys join my ever so fun and friendly corner of the internet. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.